Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Leon County Post-Election Audit Project dashboards to organize, view, and review the exact data you want to see from the 2022 primary and general elections. To get started, use the Dashboard tab to choose either the 2022 general election or the 2022 primary. There are slight differences between the two, which we'll cover as we go. For this video, we'll choose the 2022 general election. Please be patient. Because of the sheer amount of data you'll be able to see, either dashboard will take up to a minute to load the first time, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Notice just under the 2022 general election heading, there's a link for you to tell us about your experience. We look forward to your feedback. Directly above the table, there are two drop-down menus to filter what information you can see. By clicking the menu to the left, you can choose one particular contest, i.e. the office to be filled or ballot initiative to be decided. Under Choice, you can choose any individual candidate or ballot initiative. On the 2022 primary page, there's a third choice. You can also filter the data by party, since the state of Florida has closed primaries. Any of the choices you make will filter the data on both tables, not just the top. For our purposes, we'll keep the default that shows us all the data. The top table has all the factors that go into the post-election audit. You can sort any columns by clicking the arrows to the right of its heading. Contest is the position or ballot initiative being decided. Choice is the candidate, ballot initiative, or choice, like a yes or no being voted on. Ovals Counted Dominion contains the official number of ovals on each ballot available for all choices in that contest. Audit Ovals Counted Clear Ballot contains the number of ovals counted in the post-election audit. Difference in ovals counted shows any variation between the official and audit counts in the previous two columns. This is to ensure that all ballots had the same number of choices. Votes Recorded Dominion contains the official number of votes or filled ovals counted during the election for the choice in the second column of that row. Audit Votes Recorded Clear Ballot contains the number of votes or filled ovals counted in the post-election audit. Difference in votes recorded shows any variation between the official and audit counts in the previous two columns. Overvote contains the number of times someone voted more than once on the same ballot for that choice. And finally, undervote has the number of voters who left that contest blank and declined to fill in any ovals. The line under the table contains the absolute totals, or sum of the numbers in each column. The exceptions are difference in ovals counted and difference in votes recorded, each of which are the total number of differences in the entire audit, positive or negative. This table allows you to organize the data in several different ways. For example, let's choose a contest, Governor. Now the table only has the 4 choices for Governor in column 2, followed by the total number of ovals for that contest, then the number counted in the post-election audit, then the difference, which in this case is 0 for all 4 choices. Next, we see the official number of votes for that choice, followed by the number counted in the audit, and then the differences between those two. Notice there was a 1 vote difference for one choice. When the variation in the audit does not change the election outcome, as in this case, then no further action is taken, and the results of the contest are confirmed. Now, on to the second table, where you have access to every ballot cast in Leon County. But first, we'll set the contest menu back to all to make sure we're seeing all the data again. First, you can choose the Oval Confidence Rank. We'll keep this on all and explain it better in a bit. Below that, you can choose the voting method, Election Day vote, early voting, or vote by mail. The default is all 3. To the right of that, you can choose precincts from the drop-down menu, or you can click precincts on the map to the right. Some smaller precincts are combined to protect voter privacy. Here's another place where the primary dashboard is different from the general election. To protect voter privacy, the primary dashboard doesn't sort by precincts, nor are they on the second table, but you can still see all the ballots that were cast. Below that, you can filter the ballots even further by vote type. But first, let's look at the table. The first column has every ballot's unique ballot ID. Contest and choice are the same as in the first table. As for vote type, remember that the audit counts every oval on every ballot, including the empty ones. We've chosen to display only voted for choice, so we're only dealing with the ovals that were filled. Next is the ballot link. Clicking any one of these shows you the front and back of that line's ballot. Next is the oval confidence rank. Filled-in ovals are rated from low to high confidence. Ovals that are not fully filled have the least confident rating. Ovals completely filled in are likely to score high and have a low chance of vote count error. This is the reason for the oval confidence rank choice above. Choose the 1 through 20 filter to see ballots with the lowest ratings. Once you get past the first few low confidence ovals, you'll see how hard it is to see any ballot differences with the naked eye. The final columns show the precinct and voting method for that ballot, which you can also filter with the choices above the table. For example, let's see what an overvote with the lowest oval confidence rank looks like. Click 1 through 20 for the oval confidence rank. Overvote under vote type and uncheck voted for choice. Then we'll choose a precinct at random. 5110. Now we have two overvotes, both the yes and no for a district court judge. That's because, as you can see when you click on either ballot link, the voter filled in both yes and no, and not very well. Remember, when you use the top menus to refine the data, it affects both tables. To return to the defaults, just refresh the page. It goes a lot faster once all the data is loaded. We hope this helps you get the most out of the dashboard. Click the Frequently Asked Questions, or FAQ page, for more detailed information. And remember to let us know about your experience at the top of the page. Thank you for watching.